Homegrown PE firm True North will acquire controlling stake in Max Bupa Health Insurance, buying stake from Max India at 510 crore rupees. True North deal values Max Bupa Health at 1001 crore rupees, and Nisha Podar caught up with True North's Divya Sehgal. Here's the excerpt of that conversation.
The reason and why this attracted us is point one, we believe that within general insurance, health is the most attractive sector. And what attracted us to Max Bupa is fundamentally three things. One, very strong pedigree. Max and Bupa, which is one of the leading global health insurers. Second, a highly retail portfolio that they've built, where 97% of their business is retail. And third, a good quality distribution network. So that's what it is. You know, from our perspective, as I'm sure you are aware, we've been looking to sort of take a controlling position in a good quality insurance platform. Now, the way we think about ourselves, we without doubt are a private equity fund, but we are a buyout fund and we have a strategic mentality. We are very happy to stay in this business for the long term and grow this business to full potential.
All right. In terms of valuations, then, Divya, help us understand 920 odd crore rupees of paid up capital of this company and over 400 crores of 9 months premium. How did you come to a 1,001 crore rupees of valuation?
Yes, actually, the most recent number as of January end of the total capital invested is 969 crores. You know, what we've done is health insurance as a space, if you look at it, it is a space which is in a land grab mode. And therefore, most platforms are loss-making because they are investing in their future. And what we have done is that from our understanding of this business and where the management has helped us, we built out 5-year projections. We believe that this business will be profitable in a 3 to 4 year timeline. And we think that general insurance and health insurance businesses should be valued on a PE multiple. So we've done a PE multiple 5 years out and discounted it.
Well, turn your attention back to the pharma space then. The BioAsia 2019 conference is underway. And from the sidelines, Ekta Batra caught up with Badri Srinivasan of Novartis and began by asking about the new themes in the pharma industry.
We are in a place where we have a conundrum. We have a situation where we have plenty of an excess of innovations in science, in technology, and everything in between. And yet we see R&D productivity going down. We see healthcare costs going up. And we see the ecosystem is not functioning as well as it should. Why that conundrum and what can we do to address that conundrum? And I have put forward 3 opportunities to address this conundrum. And one of them is, in no particular order, one was to say, how do we bridge the gap between clinical research and clinical care? Can we bring clinical research and clinical care together to address unmet need, to address access, to address patients who are deserving of medicines and probably need and have no other choice? The second is, how do we innovate better? The third one is, can we think in terms of solutions, platforms rather than solutions? Solutions, you have to repeat those solutions every time. You have a problem, you have a solution. Platforms allow you actually to probably scale a whole lot better, and once you have a platform, then you can plug in solutions with incrementally less cost and incrementally higher productivity.
Tell us a little more about how Novartis and its drug development pipeline is in fact integrating machine learning and artificial intelligence.
So I would offer 3 broad areas in which we do that. We look at where we can have things like companion apps, companion diagnostics that can go with medicines that we are creating. It allows us to detect symptoms better. It allows us to provide a treatment paradigm that is much more tailored to the individual. And this becomes really useful in areas like gene therapy, cell therapy, medicines that are more precision and tailored. The second is, how can we actually do research and development better? Can we use data and digital and really change the way we do research and development? Can data and digital inform what we do? We have a huge, vast storehouse of data, over 2 million patient years of data, and we're now starting to use that to say, how can we look at signals better? Clinical insights, medical insights, patient insights and operational insights. And the third area is how do we actually bring this all together in an operational sense and execute better.